Hey guys, so I've got my white gloves on. Shout out to the urban gentry. That of course means today is new watch day. Hey guys, so you may remember about 5 months ago, back in April, I bought my first watch in 20 some odd years. I did a review of that watch on this channel. I will put the link in the description. And that of course was my Phoebus Reefmaster PY016C. This watch has been my daily driver for the past 5 months. It's absolutely awesome. It gets banged around and it's still in tip-top shape. As you can see, no scratches on that sapphire crystal at all. Got it on this really cool NATO, and I absolutely adore this watch. But of course, that isn't what this video is about. This video is about my second watch, which I received today. Now, this isn't going to be a review. I want to wear it for a while before I do a review of it. But I kind of wanted to do like a first impressions video. So that's what this is today. So I'm one of those people that hates unboxing videos, so we're not going to do that. But we will unwrap it. Of course, I ordered a Dan Henry 1964 Gran Tourismo in Evil Panda. And of course, once you get it out of the box in the little case, this is the nice little canvas thing that it comes in. So we will go ahead and unwrap an unwrapping video. So let's see what we have here. Nice little card. I presume this is the watch. Very nice. Let me take this protective coating off and I'll get right back to you. Okay, here we go. See, can I zoom in anymore? That's about it. Very, very nice. Very clean. First impressions, I really like the Evil Panda. Let's see if I can get that. I hope that's in focus. Very, very nice. Very nice brushed and polished case. You can see there. The one thing I notice is it's at 38 millimeters. It's quite small, especially compared to this 42 millimeter diver that I've been wearing. It looks like it will wear substantially smaller, which is not necessarily a bad thing. I have a 7-inch wrist. I can see this being adequate for a dressy kind of occasion. It kind of reminds me of a Breitling Top Time. It's certainly, there's a little bit of Daytona to it, but obviously not anywhere near the cost. This is, of course, a quartz movement. It's a Mecha Quartz. I believe it's a VK63 movement. So, yeah, let's try that chronograph. See if I can get the light just right. I really need more light in here. My apologies. Nice positive click. There we go. The cool thing about this is it is a flyback. So very cool. I would say first impressions overall, I'm going to have to wear it for a while, but first impressions I get is it's very high quality. It's not sapphire glass, which I kind of wish it was. It is a sapphire coated mineral crystal, which, you know, I'm going to reserve judgment on until I've put some miles on this watch. But I have to say, first impressions, very, very nice. I wish I had a better macro lens. We'll do that flyback once again. You can just hit the reset, and of course it flies right back. Very, very beautiful watch. I'm kind of alternating between looking at it and looking through the viewfinder here. In any case, I've kind of droned on for a while. I will do a formal review of this watch after I've worn it. And I do have some 18 millimeter fun NATOs that I might slap this on and see what I think. I've got a navy and white as well. Ooh, that one feels like it might work for it. Again, I apologize for the light. I need to get some studio lights, but in any case, I'll wrap it up here. After I've worn this for a week or two, I will post a full review. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.